Hey there, lovely souls. Are you looking for some creative ways to boost your self-esteem? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Let's talk about some fun and inspiring wall calendar ideas. First up, why not create a vision board calendar? Fill each month with your goals, dreams, and affirmations to keep you motivated and empowered all year long. It's the perfect way to visualize your success and stay focused on your journey. Next, try a gratitude calendar. Write down something you're grateful for each day and watch as your positivity and self-confidence grow. It's a wonderful reminder of all the good things in your life, big or small. So there you have it, some simple yet powerful ways to boost your self-esteem and bring a little more joy into your daily life. Remember, you are worthy of love, success, and happiness, and your wall calendar can be a beautiful reflection of that truth. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead and get creative with your wall calendar and let your self-esteem soar. You deserve it. Sparkling heart. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the power of confidence and how it can truly transform your whiteboard setup. First off, confidence allows you to own your space. When you walk into a room with a strong sense of self-assurance, it shows in your body language and how you present yourself. This can translate into how you use your whiteboard, with bold strokes and clear explanations that captivate your audience. Secondly, confidence helps you take risks. When you believe in yourself and your ideas, you're more likely to think outside the box and try new things on your whiteboard. This can lead to innovative solutions and creative brainstorming sessions that truly make an impact. So, remember, confidence is key when it comes to transforming your whiteboard setup. Embrace your inner strength, take risks, and watch as your ideas come to life in a whole new way. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay confident and keep creating magic on your whiteboard. See you next time.
Hey there, lovely souls. Today, I want to share with you how you can boost your self-esteem with the power of bullet journaling. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself while also improving your mental well-being. Step 1. Start by setting aside some time each day to journal about your thoughts and feelings. Use your bullet journal as a safe space to reflect on your accomplishments and practice gratitude. Step 2. Incorporate positive affirmations and motivational quotes into your journal. Write down things that make you feel good about yourself and read them whenever you need a little pick-me-up. Remember, self-esteem is all about believing in yourself and your worth. With a little bit of creativity and self-reflection, you can use bullet journaling as a tool to boost your confidence and love yourself a little more each day. So go ahead, grab your journal, and start spreading those positive vibes. Uplifting ending sentence: you are amazing, just the way you are. Keep shining bright. Sparkles.
Hey there, lovely souls. Today, I want to share with you 10 mindset tips for creating stunning wall calendar ideas that will inspire you all year long. Firstly, let go of perfectionism. Embrace the beauty of imperfection and allow your creativity to flow freely. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to art. Secondly, stay inspired by surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy. Whether it's nature, quotes, or memories, let these elements guide your design process. As you dive into creating your own wall calendar, remember to trust your instincts and have fun with it. Let your creativity shine through, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead and unleash your creativity, and let your stunning wall calendar ideas brighten up your days ahead. Thank you for watching, and remember to always believe in your creative potential, Sparkles. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm here to share with you 10 creative wall calendar ideas that will help transform your habits and make your daily routines more enjoyable. First up, why not try a chalkboard calendar? Not only is it visually appealing, but you can easily customize it to suit your needs and erase and rewrite as needed. Next, consider a photo wall calendar. Use photos that bring you joy and motivation to help keep you on track with your goals. Whether you opt for a minimalist acrylic calendar or a playful sticker calendar, finding the right wall calendar that speaks to your personal style can make all the difference in transforming your habits for the better. So go ahead and get creative with your wall calendar. Let's make this year the best one yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative ideas.
Hey there, calendar lovers. Today, I'm here to share with you the top 10 wall calendar ideas for instant success. First up, we have the classic floral calendar. Perfect for adding a touch of nature to your space, this calendar is a timeless choice that never goes out of style. Next, why not try a motivational quotes calendar? Keep yourself inspired and motivated throughout the year with daily doses of positivity right on your wall. Moving on to a travel-themed calendar, perfect for wanderlust souls who dream of exploring new places. Each month features a stunning destination to keep your travel dreams alive. For the creative minds out there, a DIY calendar is a fun and customizable option. Get crafty and design your own calendar using photos, stickers, and more. Whether you prefer a minimalist design, a bold and colorful look, or a sleek and modern style, there's a wall calendar out there for everyone. So go ahead and find the perfect one that suits your personality and needs. Uplift your space and stay organized with one of these top 10 wall calendar ideas for instant success. Thanks for watching and happy calendaring.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some top tips for maximizing growth with Idea Tracker. First and foremost, make sure to utilize all the features that Idea Tracker has to offer. From tracking your ideas to analyzing their potential, this tool is a valuable resource for anyone looking to grow their business or creative projects. Next, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Use Idea Tracker to test different strategies and see what works best for you. By being open to change and innovation, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and success. So there you have it, some top tips for maximizing growth with Idea Tracker. Remember, the key to success is staying organized, being open to new ideas, and never giving up on your dreams. Uplifting ending sentence: keep tracking those ideas, and watch your growth soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your potential. Hey there, folks! Are you ready to elevate your productivity and organization with the perfect whiteboard setup? Stick around as I share with you 5 essential tips to make the most of your whiteboard. First things first, choose the right size whiteboard for your space. Whether it's a small board for quick notes or a large one for brainstorming sessions, make sure it fits your needs perfectly. Moving on to tip number 2, use color-coded markers to categorize your ideas or tasks. This will not only make your whiteboard visually appealing, but also help you stay on track and organized. Remember to regularly update and clean your whiteboard to keep it looking fresh and engaging. Utilize different colored markers for different purposes, and don't be afraid to get creative with your designs. In conclusion, setting up the perfect whiteboard is all about customization, organization, and creativity. So go ahead, set up your own whiteboard and watch your productivity soar.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 genius sticky note hacks for instant success. First up, use sticky notes to create daily to-do lists. Write down your tasks for the day and stick them somewhere you'll see them often, like your computer monitor or mirror. Next, color code your sticky notes for better organization. Use different colors for different categories, such as work tasks, personal reminders, and appointments. This will help you easily prioritize and tackle your tasks. And finally, don't forget to use sticky notes for positive affirmations. Write down words of encouragement or motivational quotes and stick them where you'll see them every day. It's a simple way to boost your mood and stay focused on your goals. Remember, success is all about consistency and organization. So grab some sticky notes and start implementing these hacks today.
Hey there, productivity seekers. Today, I'm going to share a game-changing method that will help you boost your efficiency and get things done, the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. Here's how it works. You break your work into intervals, typically 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. This helps you stay focused and avoid burnout. Main story point 1. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task with full concentration. Once the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break to rest and recharge. Main story point 2. After completing 4 Pomodoro cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This will help prevent mental fatigue and keep you motivated throughout the day. So there you have it, the Pomodoro method, a simple yet powerful technique to master your productivity. Try it out and watch your efficiency soar. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, small steps lead to big accomplishments. Happy Pomodoro ing. Tomato flexed biceps.